So apparently Oscal, Blackview's sub-brand, is about to release its own tank series. That's right guys, a tank rugged phone from Blackview's sub-brand called the Oscal Tank 1. Anyway, I think I'll compare the specs of this device with the Unihertz Tank. The Unihertz Tank, also known as the Unihertz Tank 1, is the first of the Unihertz Tank series. So as this device is the first of the Oscal Tank series, I think I'll compare it with the Unihertz Tank at least. The Oscal Tank is expected to launch in September and it may cost up to $350 or more, but I don't know its official price. I'm only speculating. Okay, anyway, these are its top features. So there you have you guys, the Oscal Tank 1. As I mentioned earlier, I'll compare the specs of this device with the Unihertz Tank to see which is equipped with the best specs. I think one of the things that I noticed is that the Oscal Tank 1 is a 5G rugged phone, while the Unihertz Tank is a 4G rugged phone. It's powered by the Helio G99. The Oscal Tank 1 is powered by the Dimensity 7050. So that's a win for the Oscal Tank 1. So this is what I have for you guys today. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.